Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I am not taking any reading for you. This is my new deck. It's named Dreams of Gaia Tarot, and it is by Ryan Fallon. Okay, and I am going to show you this deck. I have been waiting for a long time for this deck, and I have got this. And if some of you want to buy this deck, then you can see their style, their design in this video, and you can make your mind if you want to buy this card. Okay, and this is for my tarot deck readers. Okay, if someone don't want to see this, then they go and check what you ever want to. Okay, now I am going to open this deck, this box. It is coming in this box, a simple box, but beautifully done. And this is one card's photo over here, and this is its back. Yes, you can see it clearly from here. Okay, these are the cards in this deck, and now I'm going to open this box. Like this is the box, like this, aqua color from inside, and this is the guidebook from the author, from the maker of this deck, and it have a lot of to tell us about this deck, a lengthy description in this deck. Okay, and it is a lot different from the other decks. Okay, if you want to work with this deck, you have to learn about it. Okay, first, if you are the first buyer of this deck, then you surely get the original copy of it. Okay, now there it is, a lot to say. This deck have also the drawings of the cards. You can see they are showing us the drawings, and also how can we take the reading, okay, now I'm going towards the cards. This is from inside. Okay, this is the card number 1. In other decks there is this card, this it's called Fool. Okay, now in this deck this is the choice, and in this deck the choice card tell us the choice of options, opportunity, free will, self-determination, mindfulness, manifestation, cause and effect, reward, consequences, procrastination. Okay, and when you buy this deck, you will get what the meaning of that is the meaning of this deck. The first card is choice, and the other one is the child, innocence, childlike thinking, thoughts, innocence, purity. Okay, love with this pink roses. Okay, then this is the maiden. Okay, she is a little bit afraid to do something. Okay, and to take a step, and she obey their parents and love others. In this card, the youth, it is the youth, and they are the risk takers. They don't think about others, they only think about themselves. They love others, but they don't think, if they want to do something, they will go and do it. Okay, this is the youth. They don't afraid to take a step. Okay, and this is the mother card, and you know what the mother is, who the mother is. Mother is the biggest love in the whole world. They are caring for us, they are telling us what is good, what is not. They relax us. Okay, this is the mother card. Okay, and then this is the fifth card. This is the father card, and the father who is love us, who protect us, who go and make the money for us to for our needs. Okay, and they are telling us um, uh, how to do things in our life. They are teaching us. Okay, and he is the protector also. With this crone card. Okay, crone is the wise woman, and she know what she have to do. She is a old woman, and she have to do what she want to do. She is not afraid of anyone. Okay, and she is not living with others. She have her own home. She is alone, and she is a independent person. Okay, and with this sage, this is in other cards, this card is um, it this is for the Hierophant card. It looks like that it is a Hermit card, but this is a Hierophant card, and this is High Priestess. In the other decks, this is Emperor, and this is Empress. It had been written in the book. Okay, and the sage is the person who know what is good, what is wrong for others, and um, okay, there is the keywords for this card: sharing, communication, knowledge, information, culture, tradition, advice, manipulation. Okay, yes, this is what the sage is for. And this is the death and rebirth. This is another card. This is the death card, and in this card, this is death and rebirth. Its meaning is same as that other in the other decks. And this is the knowledge card, the wisdom, the knowledge, and we do the things with our knowledge. We learn how to do something, how to behave with others, how to behave with some particular person, okay, with our knowledge, how to do things, how to cook our food. Okay, okay, wisdom. This is the Hermit card in other decks, and this is yes, wisdom. This is a wisdom deck card. Okay, now you have the healing card over here, and this is making our relationship good with others, and healing ourselves, healing our hurt, our life. Okay, and with this is love card. As this is in other decks, this is like a lover card. Love yourself, take care of yourself, love others who is around you, who is with you. Okay, your family, your children's, your life partner, someone, love them. Okay, union. This is the marriage card. Okay, union, getting together. Okay, thinking thinking with one mind. Okay, this is gorgeous card. The femininity and masculinity and femininity. Think so. Yes. Okay, self. Take care of yourself. Know what you are, what you want to do, and also take care of others that are with you. Don't be so selfish. Take care of yourself. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to have in your life. Have you what you want to have in your life. But take care of yourself. Take care of others also. Okay. Abundance. This is sun card in other decks. Sun card, abundance, happiness, money, food, children, family. Okay. And this is destiny. Okay, destiny card. And we cannot make our destiny by ourselves, but we can change it by our deeds. And we cannot change the past, but we can change the future. Okay. And this is for that. Okay, journey card. This is the card, chariot card in other decks, and the journey is to have someone, how you can get that, or what you think about yourself, what you want in your life. Okay, this is about that. Okay, the thought card. This is the thought card, and yes, thoughts, our thoughts, how it get impression on our life, ourselves. If our thoughts are good, we do good things, and if our thoughts are bad, we do the bad things. Okay, then this is the emotions. Okay, control your emotions. With this card, control your emotions. Okay. And give others, take care of others, balance your emotions. Don't be so good, don't be so bad. Okay, like this. Okay, now with this desire card. Okay, the desire card, everything that we do or want to do, it is due to our desire. If what I want, what we want to do, if we want to take care of others or not, this is all about the desire. Okay. Perfection. We have to be perfect person. We have to change ourselves, do everything with the perfection, think with the perfection. This is the, I think this is just like the card of I think this is a little bit, I think this is the judgment card. Okay, with this sword in his hand, in her or his her hand. Okay, perfection. Oh sorry, this is a perception. Here are the keywords for perception card. Perception, understanding, word view, opinion of self, clarity, objectivity. Okay, this is for this card, perception. Okay, then intuition. Okay, this is for highly intuition, get to your intuition, connect to your intuitions, think things clearly, think things with mind, or thought with increase your intuition. Okay, this is for that. That card is this. Integrity. This is for opening and clarity, telling the truth. Okay, and this is the card of faith. This is the faith card. Okay, the faith card. Yes, everything is due to our faith. We can't change it. We can change it by our deeds. And okay, this is the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Earth. Look how beautiful this is. Beginning something new, something happening. You can see this plant is growing over here, the beginning of something. Okay, with this Two of Pentacles, juggling, deciding something, and Three of Pentacles, sowing the seeds over here, making long-term decisions, collecting something, making something. Okay, Four of Pentacles. This is change. The meaning of this card is change in this. Okay, this is for commitment, stability, reliability, steady progress, endurance, preservation, stoicism. So slow and steady progress in this step. This is the gambling and making the money from a small way, easy options, easy money, uh, connivance and deception, unnecessary risk, addiction, blame others for your own bad things, bad deeds, blame others. And with this card, this is, what is this? This is six of earth. This is a family, community, providence, protection, dependability, responsibility, duty, service, self-sacrifice, martyrdom. Okay, depending on others, our families, on our family, on our community, protecting others, thinking that we have a responsibility towards others. Okay, he is making the food for others, and he is restricted to their family. Okay, he has the burden on their shoulders to give their family a good life, a good happy home life, and he is restricted to them. He can't go away from their family, but he is happy in his work, in his duties. He is not unhappy. Okay, with this Seven of Pentacles. Okay, working on their chakra. There is this 7 chakras here, and he is working on their chakra. Meditation, grounding, connection, cycle change, interaction, purification, stress. If you are stressful, working on your chakra is it related to that. Okay, 8 of Pentacles. It is growth, manifestation, accomplishment, success, abundance, wealth, appreciation. Okay, she had done something good, and now others are appreciating her. Okay, this is a very beautiful card. I like it. All of the cards from this deck, I like them, but some are I like most. Okay. Okay, this is the 9 of Earth, and this is altruism, generosity, charity, giving, receiving, selflessness, benevolence, humility, self-love. Okay, self-love, also giving others, and giving and receiving, like the 6 of Pentacles in other decks. Okay, this is the 10 of Pentacles, and this is for synthesis, harmony, highest ideals, reward, inner peace, authenticity, grace, look within. Okay, this is beautiful. Grace, look within, inner peace. She is peaceful. Look at her. She is so gorgeous, so beautiful, and she is holding this dragon on her hand. Okay, and her hand's color is changing. Maybe this is like my mother. Okay, then you have here 11 of Earth, and this is heaven and earth. Heaven and earth, above, below, nature, humanity, magic, mundane, material, immaterial. Okay. Separation is an illusion, centered and aligned. Spiritual being in physical bodies, spirits dwells in nature, experience life and learn from experience. Symbiotic relationship, harm the planet and you harm humanity. The ordinary is magical and the magical is ordinary. Okay. Heaven and earth. There's a lot of things happening over here. If you can see, this is some numerical things, and something written over here. Pentacles also, eye, and owl, bear. I think this is a goat. Yes, this is goat. Horse and wolf also. Now you have this 12 of Pentacles, the sensual. servant, administrator, meditator, justice, law, organized, trustworthy, loyal. He is the servant of the majesty, queen or king, and he is a loyal person. He has authority, but he cannot do anything without the command of or of the king and queen. Okay. He is a very loyal person. And now the queen of earth. This is the earth mother, and this is the Taurus. This is a cow. Over here is the Taurus sign. Earth mother, pragmatic, real, kind, nurturing, abundant, fertile, mind wise. Okay, wise also, fertile, abundant, giving others, mother like energy. And with this card, this is the king of earth, and guided, successful, industrious, devoted, steadfast, authoritative, reliable, dedicated, just like the king of pentacles in other texts. Ace of I think this is swords. Ace of swords, yes. Ace of air or ace of swords. New ideas, personal truth, paradigm, originality, individualism, motivation, choices, belief. Okay. Now the two of swords, and this is duality, polarity, separation, unity, dichotomy, integration, choice, big picture. Nothing is ever black and white. It also can be colorful. Okay. The reality is what you think, what you see. Okay. And with that card, you have to change your reality into a colorful living. Okay. Three of what is this? This is three of swords. Okay. Education, talent, study, willingness, guides, teachers, comprehension, communication, perception. Yes. Learning something, education, studying something over here. And I think this is related to three of pentacles, but this is in this card, three of swords. Education, studying something, getting the knowledge from something. Okay. Getting learning about something's truth, having a guidance from this dragon, stepping into something dangerous. You can because learning is sometimes like danger. It is also lead us to danger, something dangerous. And there's some pathetic or something else writing over here. Okay. Now four of swords, and this is about making some choice, structure, routine, order, patterns, discipline, organization, understanding, productivity. Okay. Yes, that's why this clock and this all things are over here in this card. Beautiful card. And then we have five of swords. Okay. Getting know what is true. Okay. Illusion, reality, separation, self-sabotage, self-deception, criticism, conditioning, healing. Okay. Sabotaging own self. Don't know what is the truth. Okay. And illusion. Okay. Getting to know reality. When you know the reality, you stop the sabotaging. Stop sabotaging your own self. Okay. Then this is the six of swords, and this is about solutions, comparisons. First, you have got this with this card. You can solve your problems. In your first card, the five of swords, you are confused. Now you can solve your problems with this card. Okay, now you have seven of swords. Spirituality, religion, politics, personal dogma, atheism, fundamentalist, indoctrination, kindness. Okay, priest like energy, knowing everything, giving others advice. Okay, and with this card, eight of swords. Okay, this is the ego truth. Look how he is hurting himself by due to his ego. It's his ego that is hurting himself. The ego, truth, power, responsibility, consequences, cause and effect, lessons learned, memory. Okay, he is chained to his ego. His ego is stopping from his happiness. With this nine of air, self-awareness, universal consciousness, understanding, insight, vision, imagination, fantasy, creativity. And this card is at the back of this book. This is a very deep card. A lot of meanings are hidden in this card. A lot of things are happening in his mind. His mind is all of us minds have a lot of universe in ourselves, a lot of things going on in ourselves. And this is the 10 of swords. Individual, self-actualization, liberation, altered perception, new paradigms, great mystery, paradox, potential. Okay, she is not looking at herself and don't know what is she doing. Is it good for others or not? Just something like this. Okay, with body and mind, the 11th card. Imagination, reality, fact, opinion, body, mind, open mind, narrow mind. Okay, it's up to us if our mind is open or narrow mind, or we are narrow minded. There are two persons over here, and the one person is getting energy from others. Okay, the scribe card. Record keeper, information, knowledge, tradition, history, personal history, perception, preservation, censorship. This is like a priest, and he know what is good, what is bad, and he can give advice to us to do this, to do that. We have to follow him. Okay, there's two birds over here. I don't know the name of these birds, and the humming bee. And some these are some signs over here. Wheel of Fortune, I think so, and Pentacles and Om. I can see that it's written. It's Om over here. Okay. Now you have this Queen of Air. Yes. Giver, observant, wise, truthful, analytical, strategist, just detachment. Okay, this is the queen that she is also care about others, but she is more the person that know what she wants. She is a very professional and practical person, and she have no problem to cut someone from her life. She know how to get something, and she cannot allow others to stop her. King of Air. Okay, King of Air. It is like disciplined, ethical, commanding, expert, forceful, precise, rule oriented, peaceful. Okay, ruler, just like a ruler. Okay, with this ace, this is the ace of wands. I think so. Yes, this is the ace of wands, and new beginnings, in initiative, action, conception, invention, creation, creativity, procrastination. Okay, to think something for beginning something new, taking action about action, or creating something new, inventions. Two of wands is sharing something or contracts, power sharing, mentorship, partnership, equality, teamwork, mutual interests, and ambition, control. Okay, then there is the three of uh, wands, and action, implementation, exploration, expression, energy, hard work, sacrifice, limitation. He is searching for his good, his wealth, and he is traveling, he is moving from one place to other. Okay, with this four of wands, action, concentration, focus, energy, application, practice, increase skill, impetus, work ethic. Okay, then five of wands, as usually this is for fighting, having battle, having conflicts with others, rivalry, competition, aggression, bullying, conflict, discord, chores, obstacles. With the six of, this is I have getting the Hierophant uh, energy, and six of wands, healing, mediation, negotiation, arbitration, truth, boundaries, sport, diplomacy. Seven of fire, divination, science, healing, intuition, looking within, seeking answers, discovery on awareness, trust. Okay, awareness of your own self, and high intuition, seeking answers, searching for something. Okay, this is eight of, oh yes, what is this? Seven of, okay. This is eight of wands, action, change, transformation, transmutation, rebirth, freedom, renewed purpose, joy. Transformation through action, change on a physical level. It is time to act, give something a new purpose. Okay, now this is the nine of wands, and making something, protecting something, attainment, fruition, inspiration, creation, ease, simplicity, detachment, restriction. And he is protecting this flower. He is working on his what is this, some chakra over here, and on head chakra. Now 10 of wands, working on all of his chakra. He is burning, doing self mastery, mastery, evolution, enlightenment, light work, light being, discipline. Okay, he is working on his own self, and he is changing himself. He is knowing what he is, what he have to do, what he should be. And with this other card, masculine and feminine. Okay, we have these both qualities in ourselves, masculine and feminine. We have to balance this. Okay, we don't have to take one, masculine or feminine. We have to take both of this. We have to balance these energies in ourselves due to this card. Okay, now we have this hero card over here. Okay, this is the guardian. This is the knight of wands, and this is the guardian, protector, savior, activist, honorable, integral, selfless, honest. Okay, this is the guardian. He is protecting us. He is also in present in this our this time. He is like a doctor, a soldier, army person, something like this, who is protecting us, who is taking care of us, who is sacrificing for us. Okay, He is also the warrior, also anything, any person who is sacrificing for us, or protecting us, doing something for our good. Okay, this is the queen of fire. She is um, she is warm, vibrant, sexual, sensual, independent, primal, expansive, energetic. Okay, she is warm, giving us love. She is caring about us, but at the same time, she is full of action. She know what she have to do. She love us and she do what is good for us. She only not love us as she is giving us all things, just like mother. When she know that this ice cream is making us sick, okay, she don't give us the ice cream. This is the like that energy. The cat energy, having snakes on her hair head, and there is this Aries what ram horns over here. Okay, and this is peacock feathers. Wow, purity, changing something, transformation. Beautiful cards, and have a lot of meanings in it. Now we have here King of Fire, proactive, dauntless, inspirational, vital, professional, powerful, passionate, charismatic, involved. Okay. Respect your position by respecting others. Okay, show your appreciation. Okay, first respect your own self to give others respect. Okay. Wise person, a brave person, attractive person. Okay. And this is for Leo. Then we have got here Ace of Water, Ace of Cups. Okay, beginning new emotions, first love, infatuation, attraction, lust, longing, excitement, passion. Okay, this is for our new love, starting some new love, or first love. Okay, then we have Two of Cups, reuniting, intimacy, closeness, trust, commitment, reconciliation, equality, union, codependency, taking sides. Three of Water, enjoying, satisfaction, pleasure, joy, hopefulness, anticipation, attachment, expectation, disappointment. Also disappointment. Yeah. She is enjoying her life. Whatever she had done, she know that this is good and she is enjoying this moment. Okay, with this Four of Cups. Okay, confidence, awareness, self-acceptance, forgiving, self-belief, deserving, receptive, consequences. Okay, he know that what he have done, and he know that this is good, and he is appreciating his own self. Okay, he is looking in this mirror, and he is not looking at his scar over here. He has a scar, or he is ugly. He is looking that he has done something good. He sacrificed something good, his own, for something good. Okay, he is not crying over it. He is happy to give something good to others. Five of Cups, loss, betrayal, fear, doubt, hopelessness, isolation, self-pity, blame, crying over what I have done, but why is this happening to me, what I have done, crying over something. Six of Cups, and there it is, beautiful colors. Kindness, concern, sympathy, compassion, understanding, forgiveness, love, ideals. Yes, she is wanting to have your hand. She is forgiving you. She is very kind person, understanding person, And then we have Eight of Cups over here. Eight of Cups. This is Eight of Cups. She is sleeping, having relaxing herself, knowing, trust, faith, surrender, control, surrender the control, release, peace, certainty, passive. Okay. She don't want to have control over others. She is happy in her own life. She want the peace. She want to release any bad thoughts from her mind. And then we have this Eight of Cups. Okay, gratitude, appreciation, delight, joyfulness, happiness, positivity, pride, harmony. Okay, he know what he have to do. He is doing something good for others. And okay, Nine of Water, and this is illumination, acceptance of openness, emotional enlightenment, strength, courage, fear, ignorance. Okay, she maybe this is like the Eight of Swords in other texts, and she is thinking that she is stuck over here. She had done something bad. She is changing herself. She want to change what she had done bad, and she is accepting herself what she had done, and looking into her own weakness. Okay, and with this Ten of Cups, happiness. What is okay? Ten of Cups, universal love, divine connection, centeredness, serenity, peace, oneness, boundaries, disruption. A positive emotional state, the power to consciously project your energy, say no to disruptive influences, giving life and power to shadows, truly living in the present, a feeling of divine connection, a time of serenity and ease, power born of knowledge and understanding. Okay, beautiful card. Playing with the waves. I think she is playing with the waves. Okay. Then we have this emotion, intellect. Emotion, intellect, love, fear, expression, suppression, health, hurt, ease, disease. Okay, everything. Emotions. We have to control our emotions by ourselves. And this is the counselor. What is the counselor for? Empathetic, wise, objective, wise, trustworthy, emotional, understanding, clarity, sharing. A time of question and mixed emotions. Look beyond the words to the emotions, mixed or confused emotions. Listen, hear. Seek objective, counsel, something like that. Okay. Queen of Water. Loving, compassionate, empathetic, sensitive, vulnerable, romantic, intuitive, emotional, honesty. And then we have got here the King of Water. King of Water, calm, contemplative, insightful, include balanced, protective, nurturing, jealousy, possessiveness. Okay. There is a trident over his head and some kind of flowers, horns, antelope's horns, I think, horns, and fish gills. Oh, this is the horsefish over here, some kind of horse for the light. Okay, this is all the cards of the tarot Dream of Gaia. I like it. I have been waiting for long time for this card, for this deck, and I have got this deck in the situation of during the coronavirus situation, and I have sanitized all of this, a single cart, and also the book with the box, because we have children in our home and we have to sanitize it. If you want to book this card or any card, and you have to sanitize it first before you can use it. I sanitized it a week ago, and then I am using it now. Okay, okay. If you want to have this deck with you, okay, this is you can buy it, and this is all for you for today, for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.